Welcome to this comprehensive guide on creating and managing complexes within the system. In this video, we will cover the following topics: creating a complex, linking reports to existing complexes within the system, and removing a complex. Complexes are processed as a distinct incident type known as fire management. To create a new complex, you can initiate a fire management incident using any available creation method, including manual dispatch, automatic dispatch, or through the search map. Within the incident report, select Complex from the category drop-down menu and complete all required mandatory fields. Don't forget to add the word complex to the fire name. After completing the required IRWIN-specific fields, the incident must be sent to IRWIN using the IRWIN Requests section to ensure proper system synchronization. To associate a fire with an existing complex, open the standard fire incident and navigate to the Incident Relationships, Commander, Fire Checks and Notes section. Within the Incident Relationships subsection, select the lookup icon next to the In Complex field. This will open the IRWIN search tool, allowing you to search by incident name, dispatch center identifier, local incident identifier, or unique incident identifier. Click the search button and wait for the IRWIN application to return matching incidents. Once the results appear, select the desired complex by clicking the corresponding Select button. After selecting the complex, navigate to the IRWIN Request section, click the mail icon, select the Add to Complex option, and then click the Create Task button. If the process is successful, a green confirmation banner will appear stating, "Add to complex completed successfully." To remove a complex, users must first perform a Get Update from IRWIN. Navigate back to the IRWIN Request field and select Get Update from the drop-down list. Click Create Task, and then click the green View button once the update is complete. This will present the incident information on the left-hand side alongside the linked complex to which it is currently attached. To finalize the process, click the Remove from Complex button. Upon successful completion, a green confirmation banner will appear, verifying that the complex has been successfully removed. Navigate back to the IRWIN Requests field one last time and select Get Update from the drop-down list. Click Create Task, and then click the green View button to verify that the complex has been successfully removed from the incident details.